Hey guys, today in Botany we started our first module, which is on reproduction in plants. To get to it, you simply click Modules from the Canvas homepage. All right. And you'll see under in the plant reproduction module under Notes, I posted the presentation here. If you're to click on it, it will open up our reproduction presentation, and let's see. So we did the first 6 slides, right? So we talked about this up to statement. All right. So slides 1 through 6 are what we covered in class. All right. After doing like the notes and going over the slides presentation, I had the students attempt an assignment on parts of the flower, right, which is under the assignments heading here. Nice. So you just click on that. It's just a Canvas quiz here. You can take it multiple times. There is a matching section that's worth 9 points, but you have to get all 9 answers correct in order to receive any points whatsoever. All right, so that can be a little bit frustrating. To make up for it, I made it so that you can attempt it multiple times, and it only takes your highest score. All right, so keep taking it until you get a score that you're happy with. It's worth 15 points, but good luck. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.